Make sure you click that subscribe button to be a part of the family. And also don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications firsthand. Okay, so good morning everyone. Today is Monday 26th of March 2018 and the beautiful weather of Kolkata. So it's summer season right now, but it suddenly started raining. There was a storm, heavy storm, and then it rained for like a few hours and the weather has been cold from that time on. So yeah, that is one good thing. So my SJCAM is giving me problems. It had given me a major problem a few months back, like around 7 to 8 months back, when the charger pin where the battery sits, that thing broke completely. The thing that I'm talking about is this part. Yeah, I don't know if the camera focused or not. There's the pin inside where this battery sits. Let me see. This battery sits like this. So last time this thing broke and Ravida helped a lot fix this camera, but again now, yeah, so this port, this is the mic port where you plug in the mic, or maybe if you want to charge on the go, you plug in the charger. So this is a mini USB port, and yesterday, that was on 25th of March, I went to the hyper meet. So the camera was working on the first half, where I recorded when we were going towards the dhaba. When coming back from the dhaba, the mic stopped working all of a sudden. I didn't take the plug out, I didn't do anything. The helmet was there, I didn't play with the mic. So this is one thing, I don't know how this is gonna be fixed. So yeah, we'll just go today to Chandni. I won't be taking my bike because the weather is unpredictable. I don't want to risk it. Like, if there's going to be rain, I don't want to be wet with all the electronics with me. দাদাটা আমাদের হেল্প করলো অমলানদা, and এই দাদার দোকানে কাজ হয়েছে. This is Ravida. So if you have any problems like regarding this type of tech, the action cameras or normal cameras, I'll leave his number in the description section down below, so you can check him out.
Hi, if you got any problem regarding your action camera or mobile phone, you can contact me. My name is Ravi Sethi. I've got shop in Chandni Chawk, Kolkata Chandni Chawk. As you can see, my address is given below in the description. You can contact me anytime.
Okay, so I'm back home and well, the SJCAM is fixed. There was the problem with the mic, this port basically. I'll show you it. So what happened is that this port, this is the mini USB where the mic plugs in or the data cable plugs in. So this port, I didn't know that it was broken inside. When I went to Ravida, Amlanda opened up the whole camera and he showed me that the port was broken from inside. The port broke from inside, then he had to solder everything up and check twice whether the port was working fine or not, and I checked when I came home and the mic is again working, thanks to Ravida and his friend Amlan, that the mic is again working properly. If you guys are from Kolkata and if you have problems with action cameras or smartwatches or etc that don't get serviced elsewhere, so you can contact him. The number is in the description box below. He can help you out, I am pretty sure. So yes, that's it for this video. Nothing special, just a short vlog. of how I got the camera repaired. If you liked it for whatsoever reason, don't forget to press the like button and do subscribe to the channel if you already haven't. Press the bell icon for instant updates to my videos. Till then, ride hard, ride safe, Gabled out.